Hello my friends, my name is Juan. I speak about automations, AI, sales process. If you like this kind of content, subscribe at my channel and let's talk about the today's video. Today's video we are going to speak about LinkedIn automations and I'm going to show you how I automate my LinkedIn posts and I will show you how to do it. So let's take a look at my screen. This is our plan, this is our process mapping. We have a trigger, we have a point of decisions, and we have some actions. This is a LinkedIn n8n automation. Our trigger will be a scheduled trigger. We will set it to trigger in some days of the week, right? And our point of decision is if it is Monday, Thursday, Saturday, or an error. If something goes wrong, we have an error output, we have an error path. So we have 3 posts at the week. We have a post at Monday, we have a post at Thursday, and we have a post at Saturday. And we're going to use a switch, the node switch, to switch this. All right, we have on Monday a top funnel storytelling post. We have a Thursday a post based on an AI generated theme with an image, and at Saturday we have a bottom funnel post. This is our plan. Let's see how we can do it. But before take a look at how I built this at n8n, we can take a look at my LinkedIn and see the publications, see my posts. So you can see the today's post, the two days ago post, and some posts with images. We have some interactions, some comments, and this is our posts. All right, so let's take a look at the automation. As I told you, we have a scheduled trigger. The scheduled trigger is triggering every week at Monday at 10 a.m. Also at Thursday 10 a.m. and 30 minutes, and also at Saturday by noon. Right, so this is our scheduled trigger. Here's a node code. At this node code, it will tell us what is the day of the week, because the output of this day of the week we can use at the switch. So let's take a look at it, and this is our node code, right? Let's take a look at the switch. The switch, we get the output of the previous node and we use this as a variable to switch. This is the input of our switch node. If it is Monday, we have the Monday path. If it is Thursday, we have the Thursday path. If it is Saturday, we have the Saturday path. All right, here is settings. At settings we use it on error. Continue using the error output. So let's take a look. Error output, Saturday, Thursday, and Monday output. So we have a path for every path that it was at our map, right, at our draw. To build our content, I used the OpenAI node message model. So here at the Open Nodes panel, you will search for OpenAI and you will use the message model. Using the message model, we will see a structure of node like this. You need to connect your account with OpenAI. The resource is text, the operation is message model. You choose a model to use. I used the GPT 4.1 mini, right? Messages, text, role, user, and the prompt. Here at the prompt, let's take a look. Role: you're a LinkedIn content strategist and copywriter specialized in creating clear, simple, and engaging posts about business automation and AI for non-technical professionals. All right, I'm telling about the role, the context. If the context is speaking about me, the author runs a mentorship focused on helping non-technical people enter the business automation world, showing how simple automations and basic AI logic can solve everyday operational problem using n8n. I'm speaking about the target. I am speaking about the brand position here, n8n as the core automation engine. I'm speaking about the objective, generate one LinkedIn post that is easy to read and easy to understand, starts with a strong hook that sparks curiosity, right? Tells a short story using a problem, simple solution with an AI or automation structure. So I wanted to speak about automation, speaking about a problem and how we can solve a problem using automation. All right, about the purpose and the response format. We want a hook, we want a problem story, we want a simple automation or AI solution, practical tip or insight, and call to action. Always needs to finish with share the post or comment your experience, connect with the author, right? And some writing rules. This is our prompt. With this prompt, I connect this node with LinkedIn, and at LinkedIn we need to make a connection with LinkedIn, right? The resources post, operation is create, post as a person. You can post as a person or as an organization, and person name or ID. This is my name, and the text. The text is the output of your previous node. Your previous node is the node that you built that structure. All right. This is our Monday. This is our Monday count. Let's take a look at my LinkedIn and let's see a post. A Monday post, right? Let's take a look at a Monday post, all right? Ever spent too much time chasing down clients' feedback by email? I'm speaking about this kind of problem. I'm telling about the problem and how I can fix it using automation. In the end, I needed to use a call to action. Have you ever tried automating follow-ups like this? Share your story or question below. So I want people to interact with me. Sometimes people interact, sometimes don't interact, but the main reason here is to keep posting even if you don't have time to post, right? Is to keep your profile updated. Sometimes you don't have time to produce content, and the LinkedIn automation will help you with this. It's much better you keep posting once a week, twice a week, than stay the whole month without posting anything, right? It's not the way that you will grow your LinkedIn, but it will help you. So this is our Monday content. Let's take a look at the Thursday content. The Thursday content, we need to generate a theme at this first OpenAI node. After, we are going to build a content based on this theme generated, and after this we're going to generate an image, and this image needs to be related to the content that we have just produced, that we have just built, right? Let's take a look. It's the same structure. At our prompt, the role strategic LinkedIn content analyst, context, works for a mentorship focus on real implementation, objective, identify current trends, controversies and debates in AI automation and digital business to suggest one post topic. This is the response format, and it will generate an output for us, and with this output we're going to use as an input for our content building node, right? The role, we have the role, the context, the audience, the brand positioning, the objectives. Generate one LinkedIn post that It's easy to read for beginners. Stop the scroll. Use a simple real world example. And here at input placeholder, I get the theme that my previous node generated, and after this it will use this theme to produce a content, right? After this I go to generate image. At generate the image node, you can find it at the open nodes panel. Search for OpenAI, and you have the generate an image. Use this generate an image. At generate an image, I have a prompt, generate a cool image related to my content, and I get the output of my previous node as an input of this generate an image. Here at LinkedIn, I will create a post as a person. This is my person name. This is the text of my post, and at media category I use the image, and we have the data. Here we write data, and it will get the image generated at my previous node. All right, so this is simple. This is how it works. Okay, let's take a look at my LinkedIn to check a post like this. And this is one of these Thursday's posts. We have 461 impressions, 6 comments, and let's take a look at it. Why do so many freelancers and small businesses get burned by AI tools? And I'm speaking about this. The theme generated was something related to this, and this is a post that asks people to share thoughts below, right? We use some hashtags, and with the hashtags, some people that didn't know about me will start seeing my content, right? This is a Thursday post. The Saturday post is a little bit different. The Saturday post needs to be a bottom funnel post, a post that speaks more about me, speaks more about what I do, speaks more about my mentorship. And let's take a look at the prompt. LinkedIn bottom funnel sales content agent. The role, the context. The context is very important. The business is beginner focused, automation and AI mentorship. The audience, tone of voice, objective, generate one unique LinkedIn post per request, designed to trigger buying intent using mental trigger such as pain, contrast, clarity, authority, opportunity, and inevitability, right? And this is the prompt. Response format: always deliver a single LinkedIn post written in natural conversation English, 6 to 12 short paragraphs. And call to action is important. Call to action, and every post with a clear invitation to DM, people speaking to me, asking about my service. Use natural phrases like send me a DM, message me here on LinkedIn, just DM me, and we talk, right? So this is a post to people who already is watching my content and have an interest in my services. The LinkedIn node is just like the others, right? And the error node, it just generates a theme just like this and generates a content. The difference between the error node and the Thursday node is that the error nodes don't generate an image, right? So let's take a look at the Saturday post. Let's see it. Sometimes people think they need a full tech stack before they start automating. Truth is, most beginners just need one small win, one workflow that saves you 30 minutes a day, one system that follows up with leads while you focus on the real work. You don't need to become an automation expert. You need to stop doing everything manually. I work with a lot of people who start out stuck. Too many tools, too many options, right? But once we strip it back and simplify it, clicks. You're not trying to build NASA. You're just trying to get your time back and grow your income. If you've been sitting on the defensive thing, I'll figure this out later, this is your sign. Message me here on LinkedIn and let's get your first work in automation. And this is a bottom funnel post, and this is a post to people speak with me and know more about my service. All right, this is our LinkedIn automated content workflow. I hope it helps you. And if you want to know more about LinkedIn automations, about business automations, AI workflows, n8n, I have a mentorship program. The link is in my description. It's just me and you, and we talk about your goals, we talk about what you want to automate, what you want to learn, and I will help you to achieve your goals. Right, click on the link at the description and let's do it together. Right, see you at the next video, and thank you for being with me. Right, bye.